Thank you very much. Thanks for being here. What a great day for a car show, isn't it? Spectacular. I want to congratulate everybody who participated today. This is one of the biggest and the best we've ever had. And it's because of all of you. And there's just one, everybody's a winner today because each one of these vehicles is absolutely outstanding.
Our Best in Show winner was a 1959 Cadillac Eldorado owned by Artie Wolf of East Meadow.
Thanks again, everybody, for being a part of this great day. The one better than the other. Great cars, everybody. Congratulations. Enjoy the rest of the day, and thanks for making this car show really just simply spectacular this year. Thank you very much.